Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter account private. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Twitter application and log into your account. Then you need to click on your profile picture at the left top. Then you need to click on settings and privacy. Here you will find multiple options. Click on privacy and safety, and then you need to click on audience and tagging, and here you can see the option of protect your tweet. You simply need to click on turn it on. So by doing these steps, your all tweets will be private and only your followers and those accounts that you approve in future will see those tweets. So by following these steps, you can easily make your Twitter account private. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.